How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To geek out, Carla and Ben are at a comic book convention. They're very excited to be there. Ben, this is just surreal, isn't it? All our favorite authors and illustrators in one place. You're right, Carla. I can't believe we're about to get our comic books signed by them. And look at that! They have the limited edition action figures for sale. I've been looking for these everywhere. It was really a great decision to come here. And I love cosplaying. This superhero costume is so cool. Same. We're coming back here every year. Mark it down on your calendar. I love being able to geek out. I wish I could do this every day. Quiz time. What does to geek out mean? To wear costumes? To visit fun events? To express intense passion for an interest? To read comics? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C, to express intense passion for an interest. Phrasal verb secrets. Geek out means to be so interested in a subject that you're excited about it and spend time learning about it or doing it. This phrasal verb is often used when talking about hobbies or interests. Geek, in this context, refers to someone who is very interested in a particular subject. In the same way, we can talk about a nerd and use the verb to nerd out. Phrasal verb extras. This verb could sound negative, but it's not offensive to geek out or nerd out. On is the preposition after this verb. We can use this with nouns. I love to geek out on superhero events. Let's nerd out on the new video game this weekend. Phrasal verb extras. To geek is not a normal verb. We cannot use it in this way. This phrasal verb is invented due to culture and interest. Out has an abstract meaning in this phrasal verb. It is used in the same way as out of control. When you geek out on something, your interest is out of control. This is similar to the verbs to freak out or to pig out. You can find examples on my channel. Examples. I'm ready to geek out on the comic book merchandise. Ben and Carla geeked out when they visited the Harry Potter theme park. He nerded out on the entire series and analyzed every last detail. Do you ever geek out on stuff? Let us know in the comments or in the Discord server. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Surreal. Unbelievable. Fantasy-like. We're about to do. We're going to do this soon. Cosplaying. Dressing up as fantasy characters. Mark it down. Note it. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.